Let's learn how to make this double exposure effect. First, choose the image that you want to use. Now, right-click on Image Layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to Properties panel and press Remove Background. Now, select Image Layer and go to Image Adjustments and select Black and White. Use your satisfying setting and hit OK. Next, import the next image. Press Alt and click between two layers to make a mask. Press Ctrl-T and resize the image. Now, go to Blend Mode and select Screen. Click on Mask icon and go to Brush Tool. In Flow option, make it 30%. Draw using brush to appear face image like that. Now make a copy from Street Image and deactivate the mask, then make Blend Mode Normal. Make the mask black and select Brush Tool with white color and draw to appearing the sky. Click I button and pick the sky color. Select background color and fill it using Alt Backspace. Now, import cloud image to make it more realistic. Also, import bird's image too. Make new layer and press Ctrl-A to select all, then press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to merge everything in a new layer. Now, go to Filter panel and choose Camera Raw Filter. There you will find many of filters, choose what you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching.